and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about love. Love is a feeling that has captivated humans since the beginning of time. It is a fundamental aspect of our existence, shaping our relationships, decisions and emotions. In this title slide, in this presentation, we will delve into the mysteries and joys of love, unmasking the magic that makes it such a powerful force in our lives. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. First, we will insert a rectangle that will cover the entire design area. We go to Insert, we choose Shapes, click the rectangle, click from the upper left corner of the slide to the lower right corner of the slide. Drag and release it. We go to right click Format Shape. We choose from Fill Gradient Fill. We delete one gradient stop and we put 3 gradient stop. We go to the first gradient stop, we choose color eyedropper, the first color from the left side outside of the design area. The second gradient stop, color eyedropper, we choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area, and the third gradient stop, color, we choose eyedropper, and we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Line, no line. Now we want to insert 2 more rectangles, one for the frame and the other to put the image. We go to Insert, we choose Shapes, click Rectangle, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Size, Height, 19.05 centimeter. It's about 7.5 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 18 centimeter. It's about 7.08 inches if you have inches in your settings. Now we will color the rectangle. We go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the brown color from the left side outside of the design area. Shape Outline, we choose white. Shape Outline, weight 3 points. And now we will adjust the image with the Edit Point command. Right click, Edit Points, click the black bullet and play with the white lines. Click the black bullet and play with the white lines. Again, click the black bullet and wait and play with the white lines until the shape meets your expectations. I think we are good. Click outside of the shape, and now we want to copy this shape. Right click copy, right click paste to have another shape with the same adjustments. We shrink it down by holding down Ctrl Shift to keep its proportions. And we put it in the desired position. Now we will insert our image. We go to insert picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click insert. Right click cut, click the shape that we want to insert the image, picture or texture fill, and click clipboard. Format picture, picture or texture fill, click clipboard. Now we want to insert our title. We go to insert ribbon, we choose and click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose band script semi-bold, size 40, color with the eyedropper, the last color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our title. Unmasking the magic, exploring the mysteries and joys of love. We put it in the desired position, and now we want to write our presenter's name. Insert, click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose again band script semi-bold font, size 24, color, the last color with eyedropper, the last color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our presenter's name, Martha G. Santos. And we put it in the desired position. Now it's animation time. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. We go first to the big rectangle, we go to animations, entrance, fade, start with previews, duration 0.50. We go to the brown shape, entrance, fade again, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the image, entrance, fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the title, entrance, float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up as one object as it is. We go at the presenter's name, entrance, float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up as one object as it is. And now we go at the slideshow button to see the final result. Click the slideshow button. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!